Civil authorities have issued an evil killer clown alert for the United States of America, effective until May 1st. Killer clowns are going around the country and murdering the living shit out of people with balloon animals made to look like various weapons. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is a huge-ass problem. It even has people like Donald Trump saying,
"That son of a bitch is huge."
The states with the most evil killer clowns are Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, and Massachusetts. Tom Brady is already attempting to deflate some of the balloon animal weapons, but so far it ain't fucking working. This is absolute bloodshed. We are now receiving word that they are killing people because one of their friends did not get a reply from that cute girl he has been talking to on Facebook Messenger. I would be pissed too. Poor guy was just trying to get some action. Bitches these days. LOL anyway, as I was saying, wait, why do I hear footsteps? Oh motherfucking uh-oh. 711 killer clowns just entered the EAS headquarters. No! That balloon does not belong in my